Like the video, but we make it right, left, headbutt the like up button, like up button, like up button, like up. Welcome everyone guys back. My name is Senki from GUYSSSSS and today we're opening some EX boxes. Yeah, I have it right now here, and we're opening some nice pack. My little Christmas hat here and my decoration are fine for you. I hope you enjoy Christmas, have a nice holiday days, and we're getting cracked into some good packs. If you like what I'm doing, leave a like and right, left, headbutt the thumbs up button and subscribe for more awesome content. And we are live on Twitch. We have the Twitch chat right here again as each opening, and we're getting now to the scene. Okay guys, so the two boxes. We're opening both on both videos for you guys. So we start with the left one. We have like guess the box topper, but it's like only one box topper here for us. So we have only gathering the Wargram one. Box time. Another Wargreymon. As the box promo, I need to make the music a little bit like. Okay. Wargreymon here. Okay. And we open like the box for you. Like when you buy it in the store, looks like. Let's go, first pack here. We got here Metal Mamemon, Gomamon, Digimon, Megadramon, Elecmon could have in yellow, Andromon, Togemon, Boltmon, Garurumon, Lady Devimon, the waifu. We have Pedramon as our first rare, the nice Imperial support we're getting. And an Underdog Youth, nice card as well here for our two first rares. We put the pack aside so we can put the cards into it. Second pack. Megadramon, Andromon, Gomamon, Guadramon, Stingmon, Garudamon, Wizardmon, Dinobimon, Gabumon, Boltmon, Baptism by Fire, and Leomon. That's our next rares. Okay guys, next pack, next luck. So, Sudamon, Metal Mamemon, Exvimon, Salamon, Metal Tyrannomon, Devimon, nice support, Agrumon, discard 1 draw 2, cool card, Dramon. Paimon as well, good card. Plesiomon, Skygrimon, and Kuwagamon. Skygrimon army, let's go. Then we have here, I need to shut down my WhatsApp web that nobody can write me. Tentomon, Kurisarimon, Vegarumon, Biomon, Karamon. Diabomon gets a lot of support as well here in the set. Paramon, Angemon, Phoenixmon, Rosemon, Patamon, Ice Wall, yeah, really nice and strong looking card. Ice Wall is really broken. And Metal Greymon. School Greymon into Metal Greymon. What does that mean? We start with Ikakumon. And the focus need to have this on this card. Ikakumon, Devimon, Keramon, Sudomon, Garudamon, Salamon, Guadramon, Metaletemon, Patamon, Greymon, Mega Kabuterimon, and Tyrannomon. Tyrannomon got a lot of support as well. Looking really funny. I need to make this free honor subscription here right higher. So we're gonna get these cards a little bit smooth out here. We have Tapiamon, Megadramon, Devimon, Ikakumon, Elecmon, Andromon, Togemon, Greymon, Garurumon, Phoenixmon, Vmon, so super rare, nice, and Seraphimon is our rare as well. Cool. Have like a lot of rares here. Hope we pull a lot of more analog Yav, because we have only 2 of that right now on 2 displays. Ice Ball we have 4, like we got a lot of Ice Balls. Garudamon, Pseudomon, Biomon, Devimon, Stingmon, support for Impidramon, Hakurumon, the broken Vegarumon, Dino Beamon, like look at him. I'm Dino Beamon. Boltmon, Devimon. I'm talking about analog youth and we're getting 1 out of that, nice, and ooh, Garudamon Ardat as well. Nice. Oh, first Ardat hit is Garudamon. We're not hunting for that Ardat, but it's like nice to have it. Our hunt you see on our thumbnail, so. So we got Kurisarimon, Tentomon, Wizardmon, Keramon, Zaramon, Metal Tyrannomon, Palmon, Metal Etemon, Agumon, Piedmon, Pedramon, nice to have the second time, and Tyrannomon, a second time as well. So, low number 3. Tapiamon, Garudamon, Xvmon, Angemon, Metalmamemon, Gomamon, Devimon, Etemon, Plesiomon, Rosemon, our rare is Infernomon, and in win rate 60%, nice, cool to have this card as well. Gomamon, Angemon, Stingmon, Metalmamemon, Tapiamon, Palmon, Xvmon, Miotismon, Boltmon, Gatomon, Baptism by Fire, and ooh, let's go, Imperiadamon, the Dragon Moto. Nice, looking forward into this card. I hope I pull a line like Imperiadamon or Imperiadamon Ardat. Nice, my first one. Maybe we have like luck and pull the 2 Ardats and Machidramon in this display. So we have 4 chances to do that, so Megadramon, Elecmon, Andromon, Togemon, Kakumon, Devimon, Keramon, Gatomon, Kabuterimon, Birdramon, Mega Kabuterimon, and Ogremon. Kurisarimon, Wizardmon, Hagurumon, Biomon, Metal Tyrannomon, Vegarumon, Tentomon, Phoenixmon, Magnadramon, Plesiomon, Fight for Your Pride, and Ultimate Connection. Connection, I'm sorry. Connection. So, next pack. It's flying away. Andromon, Devimon, Megadramon, Togemon, Ikakumon, Elecmon, Xvmon, buy cards, Dino Beamon, Piedmon, Kabuterimon, win rate 60% as well again, nice, and Ogremon, nice, we have 2 win rates, nice, and 2 analog. Really good ratio. Oh, the Ogremon is rare as well. Oh, I see there a lot of like texture behind. And we have another, like we have 2 hits right now, so we have a lot of more hits. Pseudomon, Garudamon, Salamon, Gordamon, Gomamon, Angemon, Stingmon, Magnadramon, Gabumon, Lilymon, Fight for Your Pride, and Magnadramon is our super rare.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower, scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder, and f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these f***ing clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these f***ing clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these f***ing clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
This way, so I thought maybe I missed one or two, but we have this little angel as well. Nice. Put this light right a little more down for you guys. I hope we pull some nice others. I want to have Gabumon, Imperialdramon, like a lot of yellow, Paildramon, Analog Youth, Machine Dramon. Agumon is cool as well, Hagurumon, Tentomon, Geomon, Machine Dramon, or like with the particular hidden behind that scenes. Salamon, Gabumon, Stingmon, Birdramon, Etemon, Lilymon, Emergency Shutdown, and oh, I thought for the first time it's analog. Hercules Commentary. Because of the white, like, oof. We have like 5 packs left and 5 here hits, so we get a lot of hits right now. Keramon, Sudomon, Demidevimon, Angemon, Kurisarimon, Elecmon, Ikakumon, Metal Etemon, Garurumon, Agumon, Ultimate Connection, our second, and is this here the Aldart hit? Wargreymon. I want a little sneak in it. And when we have our second Wargreymon. Cool. Like we have like really good rares in here. And we have one Imperialdramon. Rip it. Or flip it. Tugumon. Mega Gardramon. Andromon. If you hadn't followed me on Instagram, I have Instagram. Like, it's GUYSSSSS. You can follow me there. I post a lot of cool things. Andromon. Tapiamon. Patamon. Greymon. Devimon. Vemon. Oh, it's our Aldart hit. Okay. We come to that on the later. I want to have it on the last part of the video. Agurumon. Paramon. Kurisarimon. Devimon. Stingmon. XVmon. Letachiranamon. Birdramon. Etemon. Kabuterimon. And it is... What is our Aldart hit? No, it's not. Okay. I want to check it. Metal Garurumon. I wonder if we have the Aldert for last. That the Aldert don't ruin the party. 3, 6, 7. With this 1, 8, so it's the last, I guess. But we will see. Maybe we pull this Machine Dramon, Sudamon, Keramon, Salamon, Wizardmon, Goadramon, Metal Mamemon, Regarumon, Gatomon, Miotismon, Garurumon, Emergency Shutdown, and Infernomon. Did I put rares into the box? I don't know. Babe, ist das die Aldert? Sieht die cool aus? Hä? Sieht gut aus? Okay. Also ich denke mal, das Bild ist so groß mit ganz vielen Sachen drauf, ne? Okay. Das ist auch eine Aldert, sowas. Nee, zeig sie nicht nochmal. Hast einmal gesehen. Digimon card or whatever looks like. Gummamon, Gordramon, Ikakumon, Togemon, Alekmon, Devimon, Lilymon, Metal Etemon, Argumon, Tyrannomon, and... Oh, that's not our Aldert. This one is not our Aldert, so I don't know what this is. Anna says it looks cool, so we have Venom Miotismon. This is an Aldert. She plays Digimon and don't know the Alderts. Okay, then we have like, I don't know. It was in a black card? Her memories are not so good. It's still a nice card, yes. It is Machine Dramon, we got this, nice. We make it happen, guys. We make it happen. Finally, yes. Okay, nice. It was a nice opening, we got the little nice cards, guys. I hope you enjoyed the content and the display. Thank you guys for watching, guys. Have a nice holiday. Stay healthy. Your Zenki.